taking 12 cm to 13 cm colorful paper. You can take your own measurements according to the photograph. The trick is to leave 5 cm on all sides. Draw 5 lines of 1 cm on all sides. Now stick your photograph in the center and then leave 1 cm on all sides. You need to cut the paper as shown in the video. Now draw slant lines on all sides and cut it. You just need to fold the lines. Now you just need to fold the paper and make a frame. And yes, your photo frame is ready. Now I am fixing a transparent sheet and then decorating it. You can decorate it as you want. Now I had made 4 photographs. Let's join it together one by one. Meanwhile, you guys write down in the comment section below what do you want me to make next. Now tie black ribbon and your mini photo frame is ready. If you had liked this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.